Hi there, my name is Chris Gregory. I've been shoeing horses since 1987, and I've been using GE tools since I started. And I got to tell you, there's just nothing quite like the quality of GE tools.
We use GE tools because of the precision and the in-house quality control that they're able to do. But we also have the opportunity to get to hold in our hands probably 100 different GE tools with the students that we get to see.
Well, and the thing about GE is it's American made. It has a long lineage of quality. It has set the standard for quality in this industry since it came on the market in 1946. And now they've gone with this TR Rivet. It's got greater axial torque. The machine on this tool is just, it's incredible. The TR Rivet is being made in-house, so it's not going to seize up. It's not going to wear out. The tolerances are so tight for a farrier tool. It's incredible. And when you use a GE tool, you know you're holding quality. There's just nothing to compare.
You see the quality, you feel the quality, and you get to experience quality whenever you take a nip and don't have to rasp a foot.
If you are a professional, you need a professional tool, and so really there's not any other option.